Hi guys, welcome back. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It is the Sephora Spring Press Day. We'll be invited to this Sephora Spring Press Day where a lot of their brands will be there and we can test out their newest products. After that, they will actually send us this humongous bag filled with products. So most of the products that they gave us are either their best sellers or their newest, hottest items that they have. I'm so grateful that I get to try all these products. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen a short makeup tutorial, so I've already used some of the products that they have given. Do follow me on Instagram as well. There you will get the latest, quickest updates of everything that I've gotten and also a little bit of my daily life. And also, of course, do stay tuned to the end of the video because I have some giveaways for you guys, because sharing is caring, right? So firstly, I'm gonna share with you guys some products that I've already used so that I can give you a little review as well, what I think about them. Let's go! First product is from Clinique. It's their upgraded moisture surge. What I really like about it is how lightweight it feels. As you apply it on the skin, it's really cooling and refreshing. Sometimes your makeup wouldn't apply as smooth. You can use it as a makeup prep. Even for today, before I put on my foundation, it just helps to hydrate the skin. I love to use this throughout the day. This really gives a boost of moisture. From Tarte, tartelette in toasted. See, I have like the first tartelette and the tartelette in bloom, which I added as my best of beauty video. I do think these colors are really trendy right now. Burnt red and orange colors. I actually used it today as my base, and I've actually used it on my Instagram in my makeup tutorial as well. I love it a lot. I love the colors. Very easy to blend. First time I saw this palette, I really do think it's very similar with my Naked Heat palette. Really very nice rose gold red colors, but what I realized is this one has more burnt orange tones. I love them both. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. The packaging is just so beautiful with all these gemstones. It's crazy. Tarte is amazing in packaging and the quality as well. Most beautiful shimmer tones. Unbelievable. Really glittery shades here. Crazy. Look at those glitters. Becca highlighter, which I'm wearing today. I love Becca highlighters. They are one of the best. And this is a new one, Shimmering Skin Perfector Press in Vanilla Quartz. Look at that sheen, it's just gorgeous. Tarte's Contour Palette, Parkave Princess. It's so pretty. I actually use this today to contour. It has like 4 shades of bronzing and contouring for you. These are 2 powder matte highlights. To Zoeva's Opulence palette. I love the packaging, the floral and black and gold. I have tried their eyeshadow palettes before and they're really good. So this is another eyeshadow palette. It's a lot of nice shimmer shades and even blue and red. So pretty. And then this is a cheek palette. I actually used this today for my blusher. This is a highly pigmented palette and also a highlighter shade right here. Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. This is a whole new bottle. So be excited guys. I'm gonna give this one away to you guys since I have 2. And you guys know that I love SK2's treatment essence. Instead of fermented yeast used by SK2, Fresh uses Black Tea Kombucha, increases moisture and luminosity for a radiant, lustrous complexion, provides daily antioxidant and anti-pollution protection, which helps prevent premature signs of skin aging. It's not fair for me to compare right now because I only used it for a week plus, but so far I feel that it really hydrates the skin. It feels good on the skin. It feels more gentle, I would say. It's also slightly cheaper than SK2. Anti-pollution, anti-aging, you know. So yeah, I'm giving one away to you guys. I'm so excited for you guys. Next product is the newest from Fresh as well. It's a Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. It's a 5-minute facial designed to combat signs of tired and overstressed skin, revealing incredibly smooth and radiant results after just one use. I've been really loving Fresh products a lot. It's a whole experience that Fresh gives me. The way it feels on the skin, the way it smells, the texture of their products. You know that they put a lot of effort in giving the best quality of ingredients. I really love using their mask. It's amazing. Next are these products by Blithe. I've talked about Blithe before. I love their press serum, love their green tea splash mask slash exfoliator where you use in your shower, instant glowing cream, and boy, this really does makes your skin glow in a good way, not a bad way. A lot of other glowing primers or glowing cream, they are in a thicker texture. This one is like skincare, so it has a lot of skincare benefits. It even has niacinamide that helps to brighten the skin, makes your skin glow, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Guys, this is so good. And this, on the other hand, is an essence, makeup prep essence. Use this before you put on makeup to make your makeup more flawless, to stay longer, enhances the color payoff as well. Those are the products that I've tried so far. I'm gonna quickly move on to just showing you guys other products that I've gotten. This is the Smashbox Photofinish Foundation Primer. This is a new one that gives you radiance with hyaluronic acid. Do you see the trend right now? It's all about glowing skin. Skincare products by This Works. I did mention in my How I Cured Joseph's Skin video where I used their facial oil, and that facial oil is amazing. This is their newest product, Evening Detox Clay Mask, Evening Detox Spray On Exfoliant. This is interesting. So it's a daily exfoliator with salicylic acid that helps to brighten the skin, clear the skin, where you can use it every day. I was so excited to see this as well. I have their Too Faced First Chocolate Bar. It's honestly one of my very first favorite palettes. And now they come up with the chocolate gold. Look at that, guys. So pretty. Oh my god. So colorful. I can't wait to try this out as well. Two products from First Aid Beauty. I love their coconut primer, which I'm still using today. And firstly, this is their coconut water cream. It does smell like coconut. It's in a very nice gel-like texture. If you guys love coconut, do check this out. Also receive a ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. Helps brighten, de-stress, and invigorate. It does look very interesting. It looks like jelly. It's very wobbly. Can you hear that? You know I love my masks. More skincare stuff, and this by Boscia. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. I heard good things about this skincare brand as well. Firstly, this is a everyday gel to mousse cleanser. Transforms from a gel to a creamy mousse when applied on skin. Ooh, gel to mousse. Sounds interesting. This is very interesting. Tsubaki Swirl. 2-part gel and cream moisturizer that fully absorbs to deliver deep hydration for baby soft, smooth skin. So it has both gel and cream, and in this nice swirl like rose. Rice brand helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and increase skin radiance. It also has peptide complex that minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Sodium hyaluronate provides long-lasting hydration. So I guess it's an anti-aging cream as well. These are from Peter Thomas Roth. This is for the eyes. Eye patches. I actually have their cucumber ones and I'm still using it. I really like it. Use it as my eye mask once in a while. Hyaluronic Cloud Hydra Gel Eye Patches. So obviously it helps to hydrate, moisturize, improve the look of your eyes. Algenist. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. I haven't used this brand before. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. Great for anti-aging. This is like advanced anti-aging, guys. So fancy, guys. Groundbreaking discovery of microfluidic and collagen water technology makes liquid collagen readily available to the skin. Skin appears firmer, more toned with visibly minimized fine lines and deep wrinkles in 10 days. In 10 days, guys. Next are hair care. These are by Percy and Reed. Their hair care products are apparently amazing. Shampoo and conditioner for my very damaged hair, actually. You know I bleached my hair so many times already. I have products from Dr. Jart Tone Up Sunscreen. Actually tried their sunscreen during the press day and it's so good. So if you guys want new sunscreen, do check out the Dr. Jart Tone Up Sunscreen. The serum from Dr. Jart Hydro Dew Drop. 2-layered serum is formulated with plenty of moisturizing ingredients that can repair dry skin and is powerfully effective for deep, lasting hydration when massaged on the surface of your skin. For Beloved One, I've tried their mask before and it's really good. Ultra thin fibers, a bottle of essence infused. So one sheet mask is equivalent to one bottle of essence. Can you imagine? Specially formulated for Asian skin, particularly prone to dark spots. This is the Flawless Brightening Ascorbic Acid Biocellular Mask. Brightening for those who have pigmentation issues. I think this mask has one bottle of this essence. Oh my god. So this whole essence is in one sheet mask. Can you imagine? The same thing is for brightening, for dark spots. Okay, I'll probably try this out and let you guys know if it really works. I have this spray. It's by this brand called Kate Somerville. I've seen a lot of American YouTubers use this brand. Really interesting. It's in a spray form. It's a tightening gel. It actually helps to firm and tighten your skin. Lightweight gel instantly and visibly tightens the surface of skin while providing long-term improvement in the appearance of firmness.
How innovative is this? I've never seen something like that before.
Cover FX products. I have the highlighter before. The highlighter drops. It's amazing. Oh, it's in this really nice purplish pink color. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids but can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer, glitter drops. Let's see. Just look. Wow. Next, I have a nude sticks product. I do have nude sticks lipsticks. They're actually really good, really creamy and nice. The formula is really nice. This is actually a rock and roller eyeliner in golden rose. So cute. It has a really different kind of tip. Color comes off really nice. You can use it at the inner corner of your eyes or under your eyes. Another sunscreen, and this is by Supergoop, SPF 40, water and sweat resistant. A hair milk by Botanist. I've actually been using their shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner is really amazing, guys. If you have frizzy hair, smoothen the hair, especially if it's tangled. Here I have a bunch of sheet masks, guys. Look at that, guys. It is in a little tube, and this is Express Glow Illuminating Mask. Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip Crayon.
Oh my god, it's so soft and creamy.
And it's so pigmented, guys. I also have a lipstick from Kat Von D. Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. So I'll give this away as well. Products from Sephora brand. Glow Perfection Foundation. Sephora Dramatic Volume and Length Mascara. Gotten so many lipsticks from Sephora. Sephora has really nice lipsticks as well. I'm actually wearing Sephora's lipstick today. I'm gonna give away some of these lipsticks for you guys to try as well. I also have a Sephora miniature palette. Matte, shimmer, glitter in one palette. I heard so much great things about Nails Inc. How pretty these shades are. They are so shimmery. It says here, sparkle like a unicorn. Can't wait to try this on my nails. Also have a comb from GHD. Love this. I actually have this brush. If you have very tangled dry hair like I do, it's really good. You can also use it to create volume when you're blow drying. Love this. Last but not least, I received these towels from this brand called Accuse Luxe. You know, some towels could be damaging to the hair, so if you want quality towels, do check this out. I actually find this really interesting. I have been using it already. This is actually a hair turban. If you want to dry your hair by itself, it's so easy to use to create a turban because of the button here. It feels good. Feels like hotel towels.
Oh my god, I finished reviewing and sharing with you guys everything that I've gotten.
So grateful. I'm honestly so grateful. I get to try more products and get to review it to you guys and tell you what are my favorites. I could be able to share some products with you guys. So of course, it's time for some giveaways. Here are the giveaways. Firstly, I'll be giving away the fresh black tea kombucha facial treatment essence. I'll also be giving away these skincare, the jar microfoam cleanser. Two of these weigh the Express Glow Illuminating Mask, the Supergoop sunscreen. And for the makeup lovers, I'm giving away the Kat Von D lipstick, Sephora mascara, 4 Sephora lipsticks, 1 Sephora foundation, and this is in medium beige 25. And lastly, the miniature Sephora eye palette. Yes, to join these giveaways, step 1, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much. Step 2, please give this video a thumbs up and like this video. Step 3, please comment down below and let me know why do you want to win these giveaways. And please tell me what do you want to win the most. Like, you want to win more of the skincare or makeup stuff so that I can distribute the giveaways properly so that you can win stuff that you want to win. If you can, please comment down below and let me know as well which product you want me to review, you want to see me using the most. Maybe I could create a full video using all the new products that you want to see. Alright? Thank you guys so much. Without your support, I wouldn't even get all these stuffs from Sephora. Again, so grateful and always happy to give it back to you guys. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.